HyperX headsets, while reliable, can encounter software glitches causing audio or mic problems. Resetting restores the headset to its factory settings, often resolving these issues. You might need a reset if you experience static, audio dropouts, mic echo, or connectivity problems, especially after firmware updates or when using new devices. There are two primary reset methods: a software reset via the HyperX Ingenuity app and a hardware reset directly on the headset. Use the software reset first, as it's easier and less invasive. First, disconnect the headset from your device and close the Ingenuity app. For a software reset, open Ingenuity, connect your headset, go to Device Settings, and select Reset Device. Confirm the reset. For a hardware reset, especially for wireless models like Cloud Stinger or Cloud 2, power off the headset, then press and hold the mic mute or power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED flashes or you hear a beep. After reset, reconnect the headset, update the firmware via Ingenuity, and test the audio and mic in the app. If problems persist, check volume levels, update drivers in Device Manager for Windows or Audio MIDI setup for Mac OS, and ensure the mic isn't muted.